First one is this one. So I'm going to activate it. And let's go down here. You see this menu, click to chat. So go ahead and go to click to chat here. And you will see a page like this. So this is how you configure this plugin. So do you want to enable floating styles? Yes or no? Well, floating basically means that when anyone scrolls any pages on your website, that button at the bottom right corner will always be there. Enable shortcodes. So I hope you know what shortcode in WordPress means. Yes, you can turn this to yes, or if you want more information, just go to this link here. Now, do note that this plugin has a little bit of problem where it's the way how they use the English language may not be so comfortable with you. You may need to struggle a little bit to understand how to use this plugin. For this tutorial, we're just going to leave this as yes. So here is the return type. The return type here is where you set how your chat will appear on the WhatsApp app. You see the choice here you have, one is chat, the other one is group chat invite. So if you select a group chat invite, you're actually inviting your user on your website to join your group chat on WhatsApp. However, if you select chat, you're inviting them to chat on WhatsApp. You're just going to set this as chat. So down here, you must specify your WhatsApp number. So you need to enter your WhatsApp business app phone number that you are currently using over here. Then if you scroll down, the initial message is the pre-filled message. Remember, if we learned that we can actually attach a pre-filled message that you want your customer to enter when they first message you. So here I'm just going to enter, let's say, thanks for visiting. And placeholder URL is the URL of the web page where they send the message. For example, if you're at your web page such as yourdomain.com/contact, then here will appear thanks for visiting yourdomainname.com/contact. Or if they are at your product page, it will be like thanks for visiting yourdomainname.com/product. Okay, so if you want more information, you can always click here. Otherwise, go down. So this is where you enter the group ID if you are inviting them to your group chat. Otherwise, you can just leave this. Then this is where you can get to style your WhatsApp button on your website. They have a variety of styles from 1 all the way to 9. And you can even set your own image if you want to. To know all the styles, you can just click on this link here. So here it lists down all the styles that are available. First style is like this, second is like this, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and etc. So I'm going to go through a few of these styles because some of the styles I find that they're not so visually appealing. For example, style 1 isn't that great. So I'm going to demonstrate that to you. Maybe style 2, 3, and I find that style 4 is the best. So let's go ahead and set it to first style, style 1. And same thing for on mobile devices, style 1. Position of the icon should be at the bottom right corner, or you can set it at bottom left, or top right. Usually we set it at the bottom right. And here is the exact position. The pixels that it's like the pixels that you need to set to properly position that button at the bottom right corner. So for now, we're going to set it as 10 pixels for here and here. And you can also use 10%, 10 rem, and so forth. Generally, any kind of metrics that you use on a CSS style sheet. For more info, click on here. If you scroll down here, this is the text that you want to display at the button at the bottom right corner. So do you want to say WhatsApp us? Do you want to say WhatsApp us or WhatsApp us, we're here, or leave us a WhatsApp message? You can leave anything that you want, but then keep it simple. For now, we're just going to leave it as this. You could also integrate this plugin with your Google Analytics account by enabling here, or your Facebook Analytics account by checking here. But for this tutorial, we're just going to skip this part. Here is an important part that where it allows you to hide the WhatsApp button from certain pages. For example, if you want to hide the button from all your posts, all your pages, your home page, front page, category, 404 page, and a lot more. Now you can even hide specific pages down here, such as the ID of that page, which I will demonstrate later. Now, if you go down, you can even hide specific categories by entering the category's name over here. And next, this is where you specify the shortcode name. Remember at the top where we enable shortcode? So here is where you specify the name for the shortcode. So the shortcode by default is chat. Any page on your website where you specify or where you enter the text chat like this, the WhatsApp button would appear. That's how you enter shortcode. And last but not least, this part is very important, especially when you're using some kind of cache plugins on your WordPress website. So I happen to have one. If you do, ensure that you check this box. So it says here that check this box only if you have an issue with some cache plugins. So I do have an issue, so I will check this box here. Then click on Save Changes.